Editors Academy is a coaching community created by Sam PD for aspiring freelance video editors. The program starts by teaching the fundamentals of Adobe Premiere Pro before moving into topics like finding clients, pricing your services, closing deals, and building a freelance editing business. Instead of charging a monthly subscription, the Academy is currently available for a one-time payment of $95, which includes lifetime access and future updates. A lot of editing courses stop after teaching transitions, effects, and timelines. Editors Academy dedicates a large part of the training to getting clients through outreach systems, portfolio building, and sales processes, which are the skills that actually turn editing into an income. Another thing I like is that members also receive access to the Video Editors Club, where they can interact with other editors, receive feedback, and browse client opportunities. That adds ongoing value beyond the course material itself. And if you want to learn why most people never make any real money online despite purchasing programs like Editors Academy, make sure to grab your copy of the Income Lie Guide in the description of this video to discover what you can do to change that and how to actually become the exception. A few short minutes might end up saving you a few long months of trial and error. So go and grab it in the description of this video while I'm still giving it away for free. Because the marketing places a lot of emphasis on becoming a full-time editor or landing your first client in as little as 14 days. While those outcomes may be possible for some members, I couldn't find independent evidence showing their typical results across the community. Most of the success stories come directly from the program's own marketing rather than third-party sources. I also found a very few independent reviews discussing long-term experiences inside the Academy. One thing the program can't eliminate is how competitive freelance video editing has become. Finding clients isn't usually the hardest part anymore. Keeping them is. Businesses and creators receive outreach from editors every day, so landing consistent work often comes down to building a portfolio that stands out, communicating well with clients, meeting deadlines, and delivering edits that match a creator's style without needing constant revisions. Another challenge is that editing is a skill-based service. Your income is directly tied to the quality of your work, and improving that quality takes time. AI can speed up parts of the workflow, but it still can't replace good storytelling, pacing, creative judgment, or understanding what keeps viewers engaged. Editors Academy addresses many of these business fundamentals, but it doesn't change the fact that freelancing requires continuous client acquisition, strong execution, and the ability to consistently deliver work that clients are happy to pay for month after month. And don't forget to grab your copy of the Income Lie Guide to discover why the entire game is rigged against the small player and what you can do to turn that into your advantage. Go and grab it in the description of this video now. If you've joined Editors Academy yourself, let everyone know how your experience has been and whether it helped you land your first editing clients. And if you enjoy reviews that focus on the product instead of the marketing, subscribe, because that's exactly what this channel is about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.